Hello children. So today we'll study in page number 37, that is the topic in search of raw material. So raw material. Raw material are the substance through which the goods, that is finished goods, are processed, which are either found naturally or which are produced by the farmers. While some raw materials are used by the Harappans were locals, but many items such as copper, tin, gold, silver, and other stones had to be brought from distant places. The Harappans may got copper from present-day Rajasthan and even from Oman, that is in Iran, in West Asia. So tin, which was mixed with the copper to produce bronze, may have been brought from Afghanistan and Iran. Gold could be brought from present-day Karnataka and Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. So it was not an easy task for the Harappans because the things are not readily available in nearby places, because they have to go very far away to find these places and to meet certain sculptures or the designs. So food for the people in the cities. So we all are aware of what the city people have to. The people living in the countryside grew crops, reared animals, supplied food to the craft persons, scribes, and rulers in the city. So the remains of plants archaeologists studied that Harappan grew wheat, barley, pulses, which are probably made. So these have to be done through a tool called plow. So now when you sow a seed, what you have to do, you have to dig the soil, earthen it, make it turn into a soil to plant seeds. So in the earlier times, plow may have been there, which has been used for planting seeds, with while real plow, which are probably made of wood, have not survived. Toy model have been found. Dry seasons irrigation may have been used as the water was stored and supplied to the field when plants were growing. So water and pastures were available around the settlements of the Harappans reared cattle, because we know that where there is a goat, sheep, cattle, buffalo, surely there will be settlements with pastures and water available. In search of grass and water in dry summer season, large herd of animals would taken to a great distance. The Harappan collect fruits like bear, caught fish, and hunted wild animals like the antelope. So there were certain things which were being found, that is the food that has been available for the city people. So if you go to the closer look of the Harappan towns, we have to go in page number 38. So let's have a look in the page number 39, that is closer look, that is Harappan towns in Gujarat. So let's see in the paragraph, that is closure looks. So Harappa towns, if you see here, the city of Dholavira were located on Khadir Beth, that is in Run of Kutch, Rajasthan, where there was a fresh water and fertile soil. Unlike some of the other Harappans, cities which were divided into two parts, Dholavira were divided into three parts, and each part was surrounded with a massive stones walls with entrance through gateway. There were also large open area in the settlements where the public ceremonies could be held. So these Harappans, where the site of Dholavira located, have been surrounded with the massive stones with entrance through gateway. So there were large open areas for the settlements where public ceremonies and could be held. So this large letters of the Harappan script were being carved out of white stones and perhaps they're inlaid in the wood. So if you see the site of Dholavira, the certain settlements area have been seen over this area. Settlements are what? Where the, you can say, the people used to reside. So you have site of Lothal, which is located near the tributary of Sabarmati, that is in Gujarat, close to the Gulf of Khambar. So this site was also important for making objects such as stones, major objects out of stones, shells, and metals. So that were being found in the storehouse. Even evidence of workshop for making dates has also been found in this area, that is the site of Lothal. So I think children, for today this much will be okay. Tomorrow we will meet again with a new topic, the mystery of End and the reason for the fall of Harappan cities. So I think for today this much will be over. For your assignments, what you do, please you just try to read this following paragraph, and that means whatever I have done today, that is in search of raw material, you have to mark the raw materials are what substance that were being used. Then you can mark some of the new plow that were being used for turning the soil. Okay, so you just mark it and we will meet tomorrow for the class. Thank you.